Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Chica, this is Charlie and you're watching UpStreamCharlie, and today we'll be doing some extensive sound testing of the Awei Y333 Okay, we bought this in Lazada, and one of the reasons why we bought this is that we're going to do some versus video as well against the Apollo Supreme Max, because as you know they look alike, but the Awei Y333 was the first to be marketed here in the Philippines and seconded by the Apollo Supreme Max. But the thing is, you will know after the versus video. Okay, but right now we'll test this further with different sounds coming from Mokka No Copyright Music. So what are we waiting for? Let's hear some music. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Now the end is near. So, you've listened to the sound test. Okay naman siya, walang problema. Maganda pa rin yung dalawang 5-watt speaker nito, plus ang kanyang radiator. Wala akong complaint, no? I was surprised that it could take on the bass, different types of bass. And actually, this one is also a buy. Now, the difference between this and the Apollo Supreme Max is only 100 pesos. So, if you don't want to buy almost 1,000 pesos for a soundbar, then you could buy the Awei Y333. Okay? So, available din to sa Shopee and available mas lalo rin sa Lazada. Magpapasalamat lang ako. This product actually was sponsored by Tina Maderaso. She's my social media friend. She's active there in one of the social media platforms. So, thank you very much, Tina, for this. And she also sponsored another product for me to test, but she owns this. Okay, so I just borrowed this and I'm gonna return this after the versus video. So again, this is Charlie Jose saying thank you very much for watching and see you on the next video. Bye-bye! Bye-bye!